Heading out on our own with a hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way.
What a morning for a day. Gonna shoot around the point behind the back of us. Take that occy pot, get some fresh bait. No, wouldn't be doing that. That's the morning you're gonna need to have.
Got my prawn out.
Live bait.
Need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin.
First one of the morning. What do you reckon it is, Matt?
I reckon it's probably a big skippy.
Big skippy.
Or a pinky.
Nice little pinky. Where's that net?
No, I don't think we'll need it. Or it's a big wrasse.
Ah, it's a little.
It's a skippy.
It's a little skippy.
Hooked in the belly.
Stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything
On again.
we need.
Oh, there you go.
What you got this time?
It's one of those.
Here we go. All we need is no.
He'd be perfect.
Oh, look
for
him.
aquarium,
Hold him up
mate.
to the sun. He's beautiful, eh?
Sun on him. There's two sorts. There's this one and there's one that's more shaped like a batfish, but it's beautiful.
Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. Here we go.
Got a bit of weight. It's not a pinky. It's not bouncing around.
And now on our own with a hope in the clouds.
It's coming.
It's a Jewy. It's a Jewy.
Yeah.
Oh, bring him over. Look at this thing.
It's not a Jewy.
No, it's not.
It's one of them foxy fucking morons. It's one of them fish you catch when you think you've got a Jewy.
Chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful.
Nice little what?
Sweet.
Sweet little.
With the sunlight on our skin, it's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Jiggler.
Silent prayers, open sky. Together we go. Wild frontier, morning light, and all that follows. In the sun, in the storm, it's all or nothing. Here with you, I'm so sure.
Flying into the bottom.
Onto something.
Oh, slimy little bugger.
Into the night.
Yeah, he's in. Oh yeah.
Ooh. I call it the big red rat. Let's get the other rods out of the way. It's a fucking hard. Nah, it's staying on the bottom, man. Give it a bit of time. Is it jiggling its head?
Yep.
Every breath an open door, a new beginning leads us on to something more. It's never ending. In the doubt, in the rain, in the hesitation. Here with you, I have faith. We're gonna make it. Run into the night. You and me, looking up.
Nice.
A big fish.
Every moment filled with wonder. Oh, we know what we were meant for. This great adventure.
Mark that. Where are we? Not a bad little pinky.
It's a good start, eh? With the tide coming up, you never know. You might catch it here.
Where there's small ones, there's big ones. Is it worth a measure, you reckon?
Yeah. It's not worth a $200 fine.
Little small pinky. It's going back for a swim.